In the palm of a woman's hand lies not just a harvest, but the power to transform entire communities. In 2007, Access Livelihoods sowed a seed of courage called Operation Beehive, a vision where small and marginal women farmers would rise together like a hive, buzzing with strength, resilience, and purpose. We began with a dream to organize women farmers into self-managed producer companies inspired by Amul and Lijat Thapar. Over time, more than 74,000 women came together across Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and Maharashtra, forming 74 farmer producer companies. Among these, we engaged intensively with 17 companies, working closely with 18,310 women for nearly 5 years. The journey was far from easy. Many companies struggled with fragile business models and limited resources. Some faltered, others closed. Finally, 17 merged into 2 stronger ones, carrying forward lessons learned. Every setback became a stepping stone, showing us what works and what does not. At first, we focused on collective marketing, believing better prices alone would transform lives. But soon we realized when soil is degrading and production fragile, no price is high enough to make farming sustainable. True change began beneath the soil. We embraced agroecology, crop diversity, organic practices, and integrating livestock like dairy and poultry. Input costs fell by 10%. Net incomes rose nearly 15 to 20% in 3 years, proving women could lead India's shift to sustainable food systems. These insights came from bold experiments. We staked everything, even personal assets. For years, we took no salaries, pouring every rupee into innovation. We piloted poultry, set up seed and dairy processing units, and tested local retail models to discover what truly works for women farmers. Through every challenge, there was a silver lining. Together, these companies achieved over 45 crore in business across agriculture and dairy. Value addition in milk, seeds, turmeric, and cold-pressed oils created jobs and stronger rural economies. From day one, women invested their own money, becoming shareholders and entrepreneurs, not laborers. After years of trial and error, we know the recipe for lasting change. That is, build regenerative multi-crop systems that heal the land, integrate livestock for steady cash flow, strengthen producer institutions with robust models, and create farmer-owned value chains where women control production, processing, and marketing. This journey has been one of courage, sacrifice, and relentless hope. We have seen companies fall and rise again. We have seen women discover their voice, their leadership, and their power. 74,000 women, 72 companies, 18,310 deeply engaged, and a future still unfolding. The hype is stronger now, the lessons deeper. And together, we are building a future where women farmers lead the way.